In this video, you'll learn how to access ABB MyLearning from your Android mobile device. MyLearning is the primary platform to use for accessing training content or registering for learning events. First, find and tap the Play Store icon in your applications. Please note that you have to be signed in to the Play Store with your Google account in order to proceed. Next, we have to download and install Expertus One from the Play Store. Expertus One is the company that powers ABB MyLearning. Tap the search bar at the top of the app and enter Expertus One. Tap Expertus One in the suggested results. Tap the Install button. The app will download and install automatically. This may take a few seconds. Launch Expertus One from this window or from your home screen when the download is complete. When you launch Expertus One, it will request you to either sign in or use a company login. Tap Company Login. Enter the site you wish to connect with, mobile.mylearning.abb.com, and tap Connect. Next, enter your MyABB login details and tap Login to download and access ABB MyLearning content offline. Please ensure that you tap Allow when asked to access photos, media, and files on your device. Please note that you can watch the video on how to set up your MyABB account if you don't have one. Once you've logged in, you'll have full access to MyLearning from your Android mobile device. You're now free to explore MyLearning.